So in this video, let us solve problems based on solving quadratic equation by factorization. That is nothing but splitting the middle term. So here we've got this equation, which is x squared plus 2 root 2x minus 6 equals 0. Well, nothing complicated in this. Don't be worried after seeing the root here. All you have to do is just follow the steps. That's all. The coefficient of x squared is 1 and the 1 into 6 is 6. So you need to split 6 in such a way that, the sum of it should give you 2 root 2x. And then multiply it, you need to get 6. So what you have to do is 3 times 2 is 6, right? So that's the thing. So 3 into 2 is 6. So how you can write that is, you can write x squared plus 3 root 2x minus root 2x. So now 3 root 2x minus root 2x is same as 3 root 2x minus 1 root 2x. The one that is not written here should be understood. You don't have to write it because it is multiplication, right? So 3 root 2x minus 1 root 2x is 2 root 2x. So this is fine. But how is it going to give you 6 when multiplied? Yes, it's going to give you 3 times root 2 is 6, because root 2 times root 2 is 2 and 2 times 3 is 6. So that's how we are getting this. So yeah, it is, there is no rule as such to solve these root. You just have to just see how it works. That's all. So this is how we need to do. So you just have to see 3 times 2 gives you 6. So we can't do anything with 3 and 2 because 3 minus 2 is going to be just 1 and 3 plus 2 is going to be 5. So we're not going to get 2 root 2. So that's how we're going to think, okay, if it is 3 times 2, then why can't that 2 be root 2 and root 2? Such a way that you satisfy whatever is required in the problem. So here we go, x squared plus 3 root 2x minus 1 root 2x minus 6 equals 0. Now, let's group this x squared minus root 2x plus 3 root 2x minus 6 equals 0. So, considering these two terms, take out x. All you have left is x minus root 2. And here, take out 3. And all you've got left is, well, in fact, take out 3 root 2. So, you've got left is x minus root 2 equals 0. So, again, considering these two terms, you can take out x minus root 2 itself. So, if you take out x minus root 2, all you're left with is x plus 3 root 2 equals 0. So, therefore, x minus root 2 equals 0 or x plus 3 root 2 equals 0. So, x equals root 2 or x equals minus 3 root 2. So, these are the solutions to this equation given here. Pretty simple, not very complicated, except for the fact that there is a root inside this thing, which is pretty new for us. But yeah, it's pretty not very complicated. So this is the way you solve them. So you found the roots. It is x equals root 2 or x equals minus 3 root 2. So to get used to this, let us quickly solve another problem similar to this. So we've got root 3x squared plus 10x plus 7 root 3 equals 0. So the coefficient of x squared here is root 3. So root 3 times 7 root 3 is root 3 times root 3 is 3. 3 times 7 is 21. So 21 is the thing that you have to split in such a way that you get 10 here. It's pretty easy. 7 times 3 is 21 and 7 plus 3 is also 10. So here we go. So root 3x squared plus 3x plus 7x plus 7 root 3 equals 0. So taking out root 3x is common. We get x plus what times root 3x is going to give you 3. 3x. It is root 3 again, right? Root 3 times root 3 is 3 and times x is x here. So plus 7, take out 7, you get x plus root 3 again equal to 0. So taking common out of these two, x plus root 3 is clearly, the same in both of them. So once you take out x plus root 3, all you're left with is root 3x plus 7 equals 0. So x plus root 3 equals 0 or root 3x plus 7 equals 0. So we have x equals negative root 3 or x equals negative 7 divided by root 3. So these are the solutions for this particular equation, for this particular quadratic equation. And these are the solution for this equation. So here it is. We've solved the two quadratic equations by the method of factorization. So these are the two roots of the given equation. So that's that. I'll see you in the forthcoming videos with more problems based on quadratic equation.